Hey everybody, today I would like to introduce you to the expression too little, too late. Now sometimes I have to use this expression with my students and I never like to do it because when I say too little, too late, I'm talking about a situation where a student of mine puts in too little effort and that effort comes too late when they're working on a project to make any change or make any impact. So this is a great expression to use when you're talking about somebody who just doesn't put in the work. They don't try hard enough. We can even use it to talk about athletes and sports teams who put in some effort, but that effort doesn't really come early enough in the game or the match to make any change in the result. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Talk to you next time. Bye.